Hi, I am Dr. Srinivas Murthy TM and Senior ENT Consultant at Yeshwanthpur. I practice at Srinivas Specialty ENT Center, my clinic in Yeshwanthpur, and at Columbia Asia Referral Hospital, Yeshwanthpur. Cough at night. There are various causes for coughing, and there are certain coughs which tend to be worse during night. Now, most infections which affect the upper respiratory tract, especially the junction of the upper respiratory tract and the windpipe, will tend to be a little bit more stimulated during night time, and then you can get cough. But these are usually temporary and transient ailments which affect most individuals, and they are self-limiting. Very rarely will they respond to regular cough syrups. So if you just tide over the phase with symptomatic treatment and using cough syrups, that should suffice. But there are certain other causes for cough during night which will be there for a prolonged duration of time. Time duration, we're talking about say more than 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Then we need to be a little bit alarmed. We need to have our antennas a little bit stimulated, start thinking as to why this could be. The commonest causes are as follows. Sinusitis. Now, people need not necessarily have anything like a nose block or a nasal secretion or a headache to manifest if they have sinusitis. An occasional patient does come to us saying every time he or she lies down and then they go to sleep, they tend to cough. Now, this happens because of a phenomenon called as post-nasal drip. Now, when we say post-nasal drip, the secretion from the nose drips down along your nose into your throat, and this goes and irritates the entrance of your airway, and hence you cough. The other causes which can cause night cough are reflux. People who have acid reflux, they tend to generally, the norm is we come back from our work at say between 8 and 9, and then we have our dinner, and then we hardly have a gap of half an hour to 1 hour before we go and sleep. So we literally sleep on a full stomach. So people who have a predisposition to reflux will tend to push the stomach contents along with the acid up into the foot pipe and the junction of the foot pipe and the throat, hence irritate the entrance of the windpipe and then cause night coughs. Now, elderly people, if they are having night coughs, we need to be a little bit more careful. We need to be even more aggressive in their investigations. We will have to rule out conditions which affect the lungs, especially in a city like Bangalore during the monsoons and during the winter. There are many people who have their lower airways getting reactive, and hence they can present with coughs during night, especially when the temperature drips down, which could be an early manifestation or a manifestation of asthma and asthma-like conditions. Also, people who have cardiac ailments, heart conditions, especially failure, they have a heart failure like condition, every time they go and sleep, within an hour and a half of lying down, they will have cough and breathlessness. So this can be a manifestation of a failing heart. So any elderly person who has cough for a prolonged duration of time needs to be evaluated on these lines. So once we are able to make a diagnosis, then we should be able to help the patient to variable extents.